Did you know that the Google Ads editor features have been updated recently? These improvements can help your campaign, and in this video I'm going to talk to you through these changes. Hello, I'm Muzair and thanks for joining me today. Let's dive straight in with the new features. New campaign types. The new version of Google Ads Editor supports campaigns for engagement and discovery campaigns within apps. Editor allows you to create and edit these campaigns at scale. Shared negative keyword lists. By using Google Ads Editor's shared library, you can share negative keyword lists across accounts to help ensure that your ads don't display for unwanted phrases or keywords. Searchable errors. Google Ads Editor now lets you search across all campaigns and accounts for specific errors. This means that if you see a campaign marked with a particular error, you can very quickly scan to see whether the same error occurs anywhere else. Condensed edit pane. Any fields left empty will now be automatically hidden in the edit pane, which means it will be much easier to find the fields you need without scrolling through rows of empty boxes. Image names. Any images that you download from a Google Ads account will now automatically have the name added. This means that when you upload an image to Editor from a computer, it will be added to Google Ads with the file name matching the image name. Maximize conversion value. The maximize conversion value bidding strategy is supported under the new editor for search campaigns. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye for now.